Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're diving into the top teeth whitening kits of 2025. And yes, we actually tested these. No fluff, no filters. Just real results from coffee stains, wine damage, and years of soda abuse. Whether you want a quick glow up before a shoot or a long-term smile upgrade, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. Crest 3D White Strips, professional effects plus LED light. This one's the OG, but now with a serious upgrade. Crest's 3D white strips paired with their LED light gave us visible results in just a few days. The strips cling tight, no slipping mid-scroll, and the LED light boosts the whitening power like a pro treatment. We saw up to 3 shades brighter after 5 sessions. It's safe for enamel and super easy to use, even while binge watching. Tap the description for links and deals. This one's dentist recommended for a reason. iSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit is fast, strong, and surprisingly gentle. The 35% carbamide peroxide gel works with a powerful LED light, and the tray fits snug without molding. We used it for 10 minutes a day and saw results after just 1 session. Bonus. The remineralization gel actually helped with post-whitening sensitivity. If you want pro-level results without the dentist bill, this kit delivers. Check the description for the best price. We saw up to 8 shades whiter in a week. Auraglow's LED accelerator light is no joke. It's one of the strongest we tested, and paired with their 35% gel, it lifted years of stains in just 30 minutes a day. We tracked progress with their shade guide and hit 10 shades whiter in 7 days. The gel's made in the USA, enamel safe, and didn't trigger any sensitivity. If you want fast, dramatic results, this is your kit. Hit the description for product links. This one's built for serious glow-ups. Snow's wired kit is sleek, smart, and built for sensitive teeth. The serum is infused with hydroxyapatite, which helps strengthen enamel while whitening. We love the LED mouthpiece. It's comfortable, easy to clean, and works with any device. After 6 days, our tester saw a noticeable lift in shade and no irritation at all. It's a premium kit with long-term value. Tap the description for deals. This one's good for 6 months of treatments. This one's the sleeper hit. MySmile's 10-minute LED kit is fast, effective, and super gentle. The 35% gel tackled coffee and wine stains like a champ, and the LED light felt powerful without being harsh. We saw 2 to 3 shades whiter after just 1 use. It's vegan, gluten-free, and made in the USA. Perfect for busy folks who want quick results without sensitivity. Check the description for links. This kit's a budget-friendly powerhouse. So there you have it. 5 whitening kits we actually tested, and each one brings something unique to the table. Whether you're prepping for a shoot, a date, or just want to feel more confident, these kits deliver. Smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on reviews, and let us